look like Cinderella. Look at the flower. Or this one is called butterfly.
Years later.
Hey guys, good morning. How is everyone doing? I hope all is well. So my amazing people, as you can see, I just finished tidying up everywhere. I finished washing my aprons because I put them inside the washing machine last night. So this morning I decided to rinse them and sun them outside. That is how I normally do it. Okay, so I'm all alone in the house. My husband has gone to work. My children, they have gone to school. They have carnival today. Oh guys, I'll be putting some videos here. That is my daughter, because this morning I just make up her, I dressed her up, the costume, everything was so beautiful. So they have carnival today. Everywhere is busy and sun is shining. Oh my God, I love today's weather. The weather is so good. I'm so happy because last week, trust me guys, every week so cold, rainy, falling every day. So today I'm happy. The sun is shining. At least the weather now is a little bit hot. Not that hot though. You can still see I'm putting on thick sweater. So very soon I'll go to my son's school to pick him, because they will close at 1 p.m. Yeah, they are going to close today at 1 p.m. And my daughter school is different. My daughter's school, they will close at either 2:30 or so. Yeah, so I'll soon go now and pick my son. I'll go and dress up now and pick my son from school, because today is carnival. They are just having fun. Everywhere is busy. These people here, they like carnival more than Christmas. So the way they celebrate carnival here, you see all the whole children with different type of costume, playing music with this cavallo, what is it called, horse. They will be parading up and down playing music. But Christmas time, Christmas wash night, you will not see anybody outside. I don't know why. Oyibo people, their character is very different from we Africa. I remember Christmas wash night, everybody were just inside their house eating food and dancing. You will not see anybody outside. But today now, carnival, just go outside now, you will see children with different type of costume. They are just having fun. Hi my people. So I'll be ending this vlog. Thank you amazing people for watching. Please try and share my video guys. Mona, they give me thumbs up now. Try and follow me on my TikTok, Facebook page. Okay, thank you all guys for watching. Till I come your way again. Bye.